Welcome to Nintendo Ninja News. I'm your host, Chris Isis, and some tragic news, some very sad news. Eric Medalle, who was a creative designer, director at the Pokemon Company, has passed away from a freak accident when a tree hit his car, killing him from a windstorm. Um, Very sad news. His daughter was with him at the time, and she survived the accident, which was great to hear. But sadly, her father had passed away. He had been known for the graphic designs for such games such as Amiga, Ruby and Sapphire, X and Y, Black and White, Conquest, um, Black and White version 2, Pokemon Ranger, Heart and Gold, and I'm sure other credits are there too. Um, Very sad news to hear about his passing, and hopefully his family will take some time to go through the grieving process and things like that. But it's very, very sad when these things happen. I'm sure that the Pokemon Company is feeling quite a loss here at this point. So that's the latest news, sadly, and I'll see you later on.